Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You arrive with purpose. Start by confirming 2 or 3 objectives so you steer conversations toward outcomes. Once done, scan the room for your 5 priority people and approach with a brief value intro, 15 to 20 seconds that states who you are and why you matter. Use one open question to invite dialogue and a backup fact to follow. Make sure to exchange contact info tactfully. Offer your card or a quick LinkedIn invite on the spot to lock the connection. Once you've opened, focus on engagement. Listen actively and mirror the other person's tone to build rapport quickly. Ask targeted questions that reveal pain points or priorities, then respond with one concise story or example that demonstrates your expertise. Don't launch into a lecture. Make sure to capture context, their role, a key challenge, and whether they want immediate follow-up. Transition politely to next steps by proposing a specific next action. Calendar time, as conversations wind down, close with clarity. Confirm one concrete next step and set a timeline so expectations align. Once the event ends, follow up within 24 to 48 hours with a personalized note that references your talk and provides immediate value, an intro, resource, or specific suggestion. Make sure to track commitments and schedule follow-ups. If someone doesn't reply, wait 1 week and send a concise reminder offering a single, easy action. If still silent, archive but keep them on a light nurture list.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.